Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is SHA-DAY. If you're new here, welcome. Sitting here right on my bedroom floor today because I just wanted to share with you guys what I got from Grove before I start cleaning. I have so much to do around the house today. I'm a little overwhelmed by it, but hair is up, got my sweats on, sweatpants, and if I get hot, I just have my sports bra on and I am ready to go. But if you haven't heard of pick up this heavy box. Haven't heard of Grove Collaborative. I've been using them for a few months now. This video is not sponsored. I actually use the referral link from another YouTuber who does a lot of cleaning videos. Her name's Alexandria Buter. She put me on to Grove and I really wanted to try it out because I love brands like Method and they can be a bit pricey in store. Sometimes Target has good deals, but on Grove there's even more savings. For the past few years now, I've been transitioning to more cleaning products and just things that have less chemicals. I have sensitive skin, so I just want to be more aware of the products that I'm using. Better for me, my body physically, and also better for the environment. Grove is dedicated to reducing the amount of plastic that's used. I forgot exactly what year, but they have a date that they will have, all glass or metal products, the actual Grove brand. But Method products, even though they're plastic, you can recycle them. So without further ado, let's jump right in and let me share with you what I'm going to be cleaning with today. I need to open up this box because I'm like out of product and I can't even start cleaning until I get into what's in this box. So first things first is my dish soap, and I love this smell. It's called YUZU, YUZU, and it's always in this black color. So I thought this would be really nice for fall time to have this dark black color, and then hopefully I can match it with another fall scented hand soap that I like to have on my sink in the kitchen. But really good dish soap, very gentle on the hands, doesn't dry you out, but definitely gets the job done. So Method dish soap. Take out all of the paper. And another cute thing on the box, they always write little notes on it. It says, "Boo SHA-DAY, it's your box." I think that's so funny. Every box that I get, there's some kind of little handwritten note. So that's kind of nice. It makes you feel like you're a part of the community and it makes it more personalized. So this is my October shipment. And you can have things shipped once a month, once every 2 months, 3 months, or you can just skip your order entirely. I have done that during the summer when I'm like vacationing and things like that. Just, if you're not going to be home for a while, you can put a pause on it. So there's no obligation. And I believe my annual sign up was like $30. So very affordable. And the savings, I've already gotten, I think this box, it gave me like a message saying that I've already saved my membership. So like it's already paid me back. Like what I've been able to save has already paid for my membership. So I thought that was pretty cool. A brand that I had saw at Target for years called Hello. I've never tried it at Target, but I started to try it on Grove because I loved their charcoal toothpaste. And then I think I also just got, but then I tried this one because the charcoal is black and it gets all over your sink and it's a nightmare. But I do love using it. Really makes you feel like your teeth are very, very clean. But this is the Antiplaque plus Whitening Fluoride free. And that's the thing. I only use fluoride free toothpaste now. And this is the natural peppermint with tea tree and coconut oil. So I use the Hello brand toothpaste, and I was reading the comments and they were saying that this combined with this mouthwash is so good. So I also love the mouthwash. So it's the same natural mint flavor, and this has aloe vera and coconut oil, so very good for your gums. So that's what I ordered this month. And along with oral care, I've been trying out this Smart Floss. Is it by someone? Nope, just Smart Floss. Oh yeah, by Dr. Tungs. So this is really good floss, and some people hate it, some people love it. I think it depends on your teeth, like the spacing between your teeth, because this isn't a wax floss like Glide. You know, Glide has that like kind of plasticky, waxy floss, but it's not necessarily really stringy either. It's like in between. But I just love how it just really gets, you know, anything out of your teeth, and plus helps remove more plaque. And it says it removes up to 55% more plaque, and it tells you like how to properly floss. Like I'm pretty sure we've all flossed, but if you've never had someone actually show you like how to floss, there's a little diagram on the back, and it tells you how to like wrap the floss around your tooth and really move it up against the tooth, so you're really getting that extra plaque. Sorry, my door closed. Spooky. um, really so you can really make sure you're getting that extra plaque off your teeth, make your dentist happy, make you happy. So I love that. And let me just pause for a second. Grove has just been really convenient, because when I'm like out and like trying to grocery shop, like sometimes I forget to buy a cleaning product, or for budgeting reasons I don't want to commingle like my budget for household stuff and my food budget, because I try to really track how much I'm spending at the grocery store and trying to save more there. So sometimes that is inflated by buying cleaning products and things. So being able to separate my household products shopping from my grocery shopping has been really helpful. I do follow the Budget Mom. I think I mentioned that in my first Grove. I did another video unboxing my first box, so I'll leave that link down below also. But I do follow the Budget Mom, and I do use the cash envelope system, so having my household separate from my grocery shopping has been really helpful. Okay, so back to my box. I also have the 7th generation disinfecting wipes. Get a big old thing of this, save a lot more money than I would like at Target or something. So love using these. And I got the Grove multi-purpose cleaner in spiced pumpkin, so I thought that would be really nice for the fall season. I cannot wait to try this. It's the limited edition golden hour, and it comes in a 2-pack. I'll show you what it looks like. Ooh, it's a pretty amber color. I already have the glass spray bottle from my first Grove box. They send you a lot of free gifts, you guys. My first order, I got so many free things. I get free things. This one I skipped the free gift because I think it was something I already had. So, but yeah, I've gotten hand sanitizers, I've gotten chapsticks, loofahs, the glass spray bottle, hand soap. I've gotten all sorts of free gifts with like almost every order. So shipping is always free, I think over $29. So excited to try pumpkin spice. Something else I always use, and I save a lot of money on these by getting it through Grove, are the Method dryer sheets. And I didn't order any laundry detergent, but my laundry detergent is like $14 at the grocery store. I think I get it on Grove for about $11. So I save there, which is also Method, but it's the ginger mango scent, and I just love that scent. It smells so good. I always buy this like every month, and that is the Method antibacterial spray. So all you have to do is wipe off your surface, get any crumbs or debris off, and then spray this and let it sit for 10 minutes, and then wipe it down, and you're able to disinfect your area. And last but not least, actually I have one more thing to show you guys, is the Method antibacterial bathroom cleaner. So same thing, spray it down, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then wipe clean. So that is my order from Grove, but I want to talk to you guys about another brand called Molly Suds, but I found them through Grove. So Grove has introduced me to a lot of other cleaning brands that are, you know, less chemicals, better for the environment and things like that. So I found Molly Suds on Grove and fell in love with this product. I like to use an oxygen cleaner when I'm washing clothes or doing laundry, because you guys know I love to work out, so my clothes get really, really sweaty and gross, and you want to get that sweat smell out of your workout clothes. Oxygen cleaners help tremendously with that. However, they are full of chemicals. Like I am currently using one now because I ran out of this, and every time I open the lid, it's like it hits me like that there's so much stuff in there that I probably shouldn't be putting on my clothes, which then eventually ends up on my skin. So I was super happy to find this product, or this brand, Molly Suds, because they are a completely clean laundry brand. So all of your laundry needs, go check out mollysuds.com, and I do have a coupon code for you guys because I talked about them on my Instagram, and they're like, hey, we would love to share a code with your followers, so I'll have that down below. This is an oxygen whitener. It is chlorine free, color safe, and it has a nice fresh lemon scent. So this will help your clothes stay white. So if you're doing, like, if you have white bedding like I do, put this, a scoop of this in your barrel of your washing machine, front loader, top loader, whatever you have. Put your sheets in, and then once a month wash them on like the sanitary cycle. So bright and so white. Love this stuff, but without all the harsh chemicals. And then I also wanted to try a newer product. This is fine. This works great. It gets the scent out of my clothes. But then they came out with this one, and this is specifically for Activewear. And this is the Activewear laundry detergent. So not an oxygen cleaner, but an actual detergent. And it's a big hefty bag, so 120 loads. Let me just share with you. Yeah, just put a small scoop in the bin before you put in the drum of your washer dispenser, or into the cup. So you can either put it in the washer. I would probably put it just in the barrel because that would be easier on my machine, and it's good for high efficiency washers also, so don't have to worry about that. And so I will let you guys know how I like this in a future video, or for sure on my Instagram. Make sure that you follow me there. But this one, definitely the oxygen cleaner gets those odors and stains out, but then I'm really excited to try this Activewear detergent as well. It says it's stain fighting also, so, and it's great for sensitive skin, and that I really appreciate. So that is all I have for you guys today. I will list all my products and other favorite products from Grove down below, as well as my coupon code for Molly Suds. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Leave me a comment below if you have any cleaning to do and what your favorite Grove products are. I've got to run and get started on my cleaning, so I will see you guys next week. Love you guys.